In this video, I want to talk about how you can get the best deals on Shein. Now, there are a few ways to do this, and I made a little document where I'll talk about all of them. So the first one is new user sign up. Now, if you're a new user, you will most likely get a lot of new discount codes. Now, you can do this on the website, but I suggest downloading the app to get these codes. Now, as you can see here, there will be many codes, and if you're on the phone, they will pop up all the time and you can claim them. So the first one is the new user one. Now the second one is to use the app. If you use the app, you can play games on there and you can earn points. And when you go to the checkout page, you can apply these points to get discount. Now the third is coupon stacking. Now what this means is when you get a coupon for, it can be playing games or just randomly, sometimes you get coupons. Especially if you sign up for a newsletter, you can get a lot of these coupons. Then what you can do is you can stack these with your promo. So when you get the coupon and you also get the points, you can use the coupon code on your checkout and you can use your points that you got by playing on the app. And then you can get a big discount. Now the last one is when you buy the items. So if you buy during like holidays or Black Friday and stuff like this, usually there will be huge sales. So these are the best ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.